Hey folks, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to unbox the latest mystery box from Chimp. I'm so excited. I opened the packing here, so I thought this maybe had a box inside of it and I would start with the box, but it doesn't. It is just the glitter inside of the package, so I haven't looked. You're going to see it here with me now for the very first time. Let's just pull out one and see what we got. Ooh. I think that's supposed to say Figgin' Awesome. This is, goodness, Pearlescent Matte, Ultra Fine. Okay. I'm not as crazy about matte. I don't understand the point of having glitter if it's not sparkly. But okay. I mean, that's not bad. It's got some sparkles in it. I hope there aren't too many matte ones in here. That will be disappointing if there are. I am not a matte glitter girl. There's one. All right, next up. Oh, good. Whew. Winter Green, Color Shift, Ultra Fine. What does this say? Multi-use polyester. Okay, it's polyester glitter. That looks gorgeous and sparkly. Oh, I love it. I love it already. I love mint greens. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Alrighty. That makes me happy. Winter green. Okay. Next up is Opal. Color Shift Chunky. Multi-use polyester. Yes, okay. So that's all this. What does this one say on the side? Multi-use polyester. Okay, that's what these are. These are polyester glitters, which is the high-end glitter as opposed to craft glitters. Oh, look at that. Oh, so pretty. I have the flash on my phone because it really doesn't do justice to the sparkle unless I do, and even so, I'm not sure you're getting the full effect, but that is gorgeous. Okay. That's what we have so far. All right, next up is, ooh, look at that. Bougie Mixology glitter. Okay, these are their blends. Yes, that's my dog complaining about not being able to play with the cats. Oh man, look at that. I can't wait to use that. You know, it's funny, I'm not crazy about chunky glitter in terms of having to deal with epoxying layers of resin over it because it's chunky on a tumbler, but it looks so pretty. Chunky glitter is just gorgeous. So I'm a fan of the glitter, I'm not a fan of the extra work. Okay. There's that. Next up we have Jack Frost Mixology glitter, so another blend. Pretty, 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 pretty. I love opalescence. Look at how gorgeous that is. Yes, folks, winter is coming. And we have the glitter to prove it. All right. Ooh, pumpkin. Well, that's... Does anybody watch the video that comes up around this time every year where the two guinea pigs are talking and one comments on what a funny word pumpkin is? Pumpkin. A pumpkin. Pumpkin. It is a funny word. I'll link it below in case you're curious what I'm talking about and haven't seen it yet. You may recognize it when you look at it. All right, there's pumpkin. Oh, I didn't read what it says. This is a rainbow ultra fine. Okay. That is beautiful. All these are beautiful. There's really no such thing as not pretty glitter, is there? Well, in my opinion, maybe the mattes, but even that has some sparkle in it. That is lovely. Lovely, lovely. All right. Ooh. Man of War, Color Shift Chunky. Alrighty. Serious purple going on here. Look at that. Oh yeah. Glitter ball. Disco ball. That is beautiful. Look at that. How exciting. Not sure what I'll use that for, but we'll find a way. One left. Griswold. Mixology glitter. Oh gosh. That would be heavenly for Christmas. Look at that. Wow. All right, let's see it on the inside of the jar. Oops. That's on there good. Oh man, look at that. That is gorgeous. Best for last, folks. Best for last. All right. So there you have this month's, actually this month and next month, because they do a bi-monthly. So there won't be another glitter mystery box for till what? September, November. So this is September, October here, which I guess explains the pumpkin and the winter in general. Aren't those gorgeous? Can't wait to use them. I'm not going to use them in this video. We just took a look today. I'm going to keep this short. Normally I might go on with a project, but I'm a little short of time today. So I just figured we'd open them up and take a look. Has anyone else picked a favorite from all this? Honestly, I think mine right now is Griswold, and I do love Opal because I love Opal. Bougie is pretty. Okay, I like them all. Seriously though, if I had to pick one, I would go with Griswold. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I will link to this if you're interested in, you can get it just one time, or you can get it ongoing. You don't have to re-sign up every time after you've gotten one. You just stay on the list and don't cancel. Okay folks, stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.